got to the boat at about 3:30, so there was a small puddle here and a small puddle here. The lockers are dry, the engine well place is dry. I think I've got a leak here, down here. This seems a bit damp that way, but the boat is very damp and it's snowing quite hard now. I'm supposed to get, oh Jesus, I'm supposed to get a fabulous Saturday and okay tomorrow. So the hills should look pretty good covered in snow. And you blokes will think I'm a hard bastard. I have to say, given there's only me and 2 liverboards in a 50-footer in this marina tonight, I guess I am a hard bastard. Excellent.